Hello and welcome to my channel Quinta Entre Aguas and this week's video. My name is Matthias, this is Simba, and there behind me you have Ida. Martin is back today with the missing piece to connect the black pipe to the IBC, and fingers crossed that the pressure will be enough for the washing machine to run. I haven't checked the specs of my washing machine. We just connect it and see if it works. So stay tuned, and hopefully for you in a couple of seconds you see a working washing machine. IBC is open, and now to open this, to let the air out and wait till water comes. It seems to work. Let's see if the washing machine can handle that. The inside is connected as well, and as a test I used the cleaning of the machine itself. So now you can see that the water is in the machine is running. So this one I can cross off the list and can start to wash my clothes again. Okay, later. Hello, it's another day on the Quinta, and we had quite some rain. Lucky for me it's now not raining, and I thought, well, since my washing machine and dryer are working now, I thought I give it a try to build a t-shirt folding machine. Something I saw on the Big Bang Theory years ago, and always wondered, or wanted to have one, but never did it. So I googled it and found something on YouTube, and I'm gonna try and build one from cardboard. So what you need is 6 pieces of 20 by 30 centimeters and some tape. So I don't think it needs to be super accurate, but I'll do my best. And I have cardboard enough from my move, so I thought, why not give it a try? Gonna set up the tripod and let you see if it works or not. Stay tuned. I've cut out my 6 pieces of cardboard and arranged it like this. So the idea is to have a tape over here to make this movement, and a tape over here and over here, but this piece needs to move and these both needs to move like this. I tried to do it outside because of the light, but it's a little bit windy. That's why I had to weigh it down, and it still dries, so I keep trying and have another time lapse. The folding machine is done. Let's try it with a t-shirt. Maybe I need to bring you closer. Maybe like this. Huh. My shirts are too big. My shirts are too big. Maybe 20 by 30 is not the right measurement. Anyway, let's see how that goes. Well, it kind of worked. I guess I need a different measurement. 20 by 30 is not right, it seems. I have to try with a regular shirt. Let's see. One second. So I got one shirt fresh out of my tumble dryer. Let's see if this works any better. But I have a feeling the measurements are wrong, so I have to do this again. But the idea kind of works. It kind of works. It's just I guess I need to do it again with a different size. Maybe, I don't know, instead of 30 by 20, maybe I need 30 by 40. Yeah, probably. All right, but it's I guess it's okay for now. Have to do it again, like I said, with a different size. All right, later. I've done my shirts, and I found a way to make it work. I'm gonna put you up here and show you. Let's see. Does this work? I measured my shirts, and so the width from the arms is about 90 and the length is about 80. So 30 by 40 would be the right size for my kind of shirts, and I'm wearing European XL or extra large. So if you want to rebuild one of these, maybe you want to first measure your shirts and divide the width by 3, because you need 3 pieces, and the length by 2, and then you have the measurements for a single of the 6 pieces. But like I said, I found a way to make it work. Okay. So here we go. Put the shirt in the middle, on the top, and have all the folds, or as much of them as you can, out, and fold it once. Correct the stuff on the bottom because it's too short. I shouldn't have taken a black shirt because it's probably not good to see. Sorry for that. The other side, again, correct the thing on the bottom. Put it back, fold in the arm, put the extra length, fold it once in, and then that, and voila! Shirt is folded, and as you can see, they're all more or less identical. So it kind of works, it's just the wrong size. Alright, give it a try, let me know what you think of it. Later, let's see what I do tomorrow. It's a little bit sunny between rainfalls, and last year in October, November, I picked up acorns from this cork oak and put it in a plastic bottle. But as you can see, it might not have been such a good idea to leave them in here that long. So today I thought I'd do something with them instead of just throw them on the compost. I want to dig a couple of holes and put them in, not one but like a bunch of them. And I think here's like one spot here, and maybe here, and another one there. And to mark the spot where I put those acorns in, I have a couple of I found this on my property, like a big stick, and there are two more. So I dig a hole, put the stick in, put the acorns on top, and then close it with the dirt I excavated. It's a little bit windy. I hope the tripod will not fall over, but here we go. I had to take that phone call, so I ended the time lapse. But the first one is done. I'm gonna do at least one or two more. Have to see how much I'm gonna use up in the hole. But yeah, new spot, new time lapse. I'm done planting the acorns. 1, 2, 3. 3 spots. Hopefully the sticks will stay up. and hopefully something will grow. Although it might be too late, the acorns might be dead already because I waited too long. We never know. In the worst case, it's compost on these sides. So I'm not sure you saw it in the time lapse, but I overbent my ring finger on my right hand backwards, which is now the third time in 1 week. First time it happened when I was moving, so I probably need to take a rest. But yeah, at least finally I got the acorns planted, and let's see if anything grows. At least the sticks will be a reminder. Every day I walk by, I can have a look. Okay, later. Good morning. Martin is back, and we are going to do the wastewater connections for the mobile home. But before we can start, look at the brambles. I need to take care of those first, and then we're gonna do the wastewater. So yeah. That should be all of the brambles that were growing until they return in a couple weeks. Later. We need to stop here. Once again, I didn't buy all the materials needed. So we're gonna head to Castelo Branco to buy the necessary supplies. Stay tuned. Hopefully we'll continue this in a few seconds for you, a couple hours for me. All right. We are back with all the spare parts needed. And from the shower into a T-joint, and it goes up to the sink of the bathroom. And this pipe is coming from the kitchen sink, and then it goes out this way for now, and it's working, as you see. In the future I'll have a pipe going to the composting area and keeping the composting moist or wet, because I was told in Portugal, if you don't wet your compost, it's not composting, because it's gonna dry out. So wastewater for now done. Okay, I think I'll gonna attack some more brambles, since we had rain and now sun, they coming back up. So yeah, gonna do that. Later. Time to take care of the brambles once again. Let's see if it works. I did continue after I turned off the camera. Let me show you. I did all this. removing the brambles, at least in the wall and a little bit on the floor. And this whole piece. Now I'm going to continue on the IBC, or at the IBC, but I only show you before and after. Yeah. I'm not at the IBC, I'm at the Tesla parking spot. There's a little one, and there a bigger one, and at the end, of course, behind the wall are many, and there's another one I'm gonna take care of. And let me also right away show you the staircase to the IBC. I don't think here's anything. I've done that recently. No. Of course, there are again coming back, and here, just here. So let me take care of those, and then I show you the after. And this is how it looks after the Bramble cleaning. Oh, I forgot one. I forgot one. So that one's gone. Funny thing is, when you're busy, you see a lot more than when you walk by the first time. So, but that one's gone, and should be clean of brambles for now until they return. Also here, another one. Ow! Why are you doing this without gloves? Sometimes you're lucky and get a little bit of the root, and other times, another one I forgot. And other times they just break. So it's always good to pass by a couple times. Another one. So. Okay. But that's cleaned up here, and now to continue alongside the ruin, because I don't want them to return, like here, there. I think I cleaned up this bit already. There's another one that needs to be removed. Just a quick walk around. As you can see, the downpipe and the gutters seem to work. Don't see any here. And this looks fine as well. So just a little bit on the front. Stay tuned. As well. Another one that I didn't see. Why, oh why don't I see them? Little bit of root. Probably not enough for them to not return. Probably just takes a little bit longer. But yeah, so that's cleaned. and there weren't any. So now I'm gonna head to my well. I have put down my old tent right here to start preparing the area for the veg patch, which probably gonna go like this. Still need to get some black tarp or plastic foil or whatever to cover the whole area, but for now I start with the tent. And another thing I'm going to do is cut out a big piece of the mosquito netting that's in the entrance of the tent to put over my wastewater from the washing machine exit, so that because the pipe is not in a angle enough, the end goes a little bit up, so will always be a little bit water in the pipe, and I don't want mosquitoes to lay their eggs in there. So that's why I'm gonna put over the exit some mosquito netting in the hope to prevent them from entering. And yeah, we're at the close to the well. Not sure if I'm gonna tackle all of them. Just want to show you before. This is actually a rose bush, which I also need to train in some way. You see here brambles. Here are some brambles. Here, just around the well. Oh, this side isn't too bad. Can't see any now. Yes, I'm not going to touch this for now. Neither am I going to touch those, but the ones here and between the rocks and here, and whatever grows in between here on the staircase. There are a couple. There's one. Might gonna take these as well. Some point in the future I want to clean out the stairs to the side entrance, but since I don't want to start a couple of times, I'm probably gonna wait till July or August when the water table is really low, so I can clean more stairs. Alright, let's get my gloves and get going. Stay tuned. And here's the after. I did take care of this, and of course upstairs I still need to do, but for now I think I got most of them, at least the ones I saw. Cleaned up a little bit here. That big one is gone. Around here there wasn't any. Here and here, and those here. And even though I am wearing, I forgot this one. I'm gonna do that after. Even though I wear thick leather gloves, I still have signs of the brambles. So bramble control is not a fun thing to do, although if you see the result you get quite happy. I think that's it for this week. I am gonna continue rearrange my stuff and offload the trailer and get things into a place that I can work with. But I don't think I'm gonna film that. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did like it, please hit the like button. If you have or want to watch more of my videos, you might consider a subscription. It's free of charge and it helps the channel. Have a nice weekend. Stay healthy, stay happy, and have a good life. Hope you're gonna watch my next one as well. Bye!